The ultimate Takipcitimecom free Instagram followers and likes tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're looking to grow your Instagram fast, most people get this wrong by relying solely on random apps or buying followers that disappear. The surprising truth about Takipcitimecom is that it offers a simple, web-based platform to increase followers and likes with verified engagement methods. First, understand how it works. You won't believe how it uses safe automation tools that follow, like, and interact with content based on your niche. This boosts visibility without violating Instagram's terms of service. Next, the process. Most people get this wrong by entering incomplete information or skipping steps. To start, create an account on Takipcitimecom, enter your Instagram handle, and select your growth package. You can target specific interests and geographic locations for more relevant followers. Look at results. The surprising truth is that consistent use over a few days shows noticeable engagement growth. Users report higher follower counts and more likes on new posts without spamming their feed. Finally, check reviews. You won't believe how many people praise the platform for reliability and ease of use. Real experiences show that it's a safe alternative to risky follower buying sites, providing sustainable growth instead of temporary spikes. In conclusion, Takipcitimecom can take you from 0 to pro in Instagram growth. By understanding its method, following the setup correctly, tracking results, and reading real feedback, you can increase followers and engagement safely and effectively. Smart growth beats shortcuts every time.